Good morning, grade 9. Last class we learned about what is mitosis and also the stages of mitosis. We know mitosis it comes under the cell division. Cell division is of two types, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis normally will occur in the body cells. Okay, what are the examples for your body cells or your skin cells, stomach cells, gut cells? Everything comes under your body cells, where you will get two cells from the single cell. So the two cells also identical cells. Okay, two cells also identical cells. And also we learned about the four stages. Okay, what are the four stages? How we can able to remember the four stages? We can simply remember as PMAT. P means prophase, M means metaphase, A means anaphase, T means telophase. So how we can able to remember? PMAT, PMA T. So P means prophase, M means metaphase, A means anaphase, T means telophase. So prophase, that is, it is going to preparation stages will be there, and the chromatin network will become condensed and you will get a chromosome structures. And M for middle. Okay, metaphase, M for M, middle. So all chromosomes will come and arrange in the middle portions. And A means anaphase. A means anaphase, and they all away from the center. They all away from the center, so we can call it as anaphase. And T means telophase. We can remember T means 2. Okay, T means 2. So we'll get a 2 cells from single cell. So what is the acronym for these stages? PMAT. Okay, P M A T. Okay, PMAT. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Prophase, M for M, middle, metaphase, A, anaphase, away from the center, T, telophase, you will get a 2 cells. So this will happen in the body cells. This we saw in last class. Next we'll move on to the next slide, that is meiosis. This is the last part of this first chapter. So we know mitosis will happen in the body cells, means mitosis, all your body cells, we can see the cell division of mitosis. And what is another type? Another type is meiosis. You write meiosis will occurs in the sex cells like sperm cells and egg cells. So where the meiosis will occur? Meiosis will occur only in sperm cells and egg cells. Sperm cells of male and egg cells of female. Is it clear, children? Mitosis will happen in all body cells of both male and female. But meiosis will occur only in sperm cells of male and egg cells of female. Okay, that is first point. And second point, meiosis otherwise we can call it as a reduction division. Meiosis otherwise we can call it as reduction division. REDUCTION. Okay, what do you mean by meiosis? Meiosis means reduction division. So why we are call it as reduction division means here one cell will divide and you will get a 4 cells. Now count the cell 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the cell number or cell number is increasing but chromosome number is decreasing. Clear, children? That's why we are call it as reduction division. So where the meiosis will take place? Meiosis will take place only in sperm cells and egg cells. Otherwise we can call it as meiosis will take place in gamete cells. Okay, gamete cells. And what is the other term for meiosis? Other term for meiosis is reduction division. Why we are call it as reduction division? Here the chromosome number will be reduced. Here the chromosome number will be reduced. I already told human beings contain 46 chromosome in all the cells. Okay, human beings is made up of millions of cells. Each cell has 46 chromosomes. Each cell has 46 chromosomes. So mitosis also, one cell will divide, you will get two cells. So both the cells will get only 46. But come to meiosis, now this is the parent, means this will contain 46 chromosomes, but the remaining and all will contain only 23 chromosomes. So because of the reduction in the chromosome number, we can call it as reduction division. We can call it as reduction division. And here, why we need to call it as reduction division means, now imagine if father cell has 46 chromosome, if sperm cell has 46 chromosome, if egg cell has 46 chromosome, during fertilization they'll mate, and automatically you will get how many? You will get 92 chromosome. And if 92 chromosome is there, that is not a human being. Why? Normally human being means the cells should contain only 46 chromosomes, and if it is 92 is there, that we can call it a cell abnormality, and it automatically leads to death of the person. Okay, death of the person. So to avoid by nature event, the cell like sperm cells and egg cells, before going to fertilization, they will divide and the chromosome number is reduced into 23. Now imagine if 23 of male, 23 of female fuse together, you will get 46 chromosome again in the zygote. Now the zygote will divide, automatically you will get all the cells of the baby will get only 46 chromosome instead of 92 chromosomes. So that is the process behind the meiosis. Is it clear, children? Now what is meiosis? Meiosis is a reduction division. What is getting reduced? Reduced is chromosome number. The number of chromosome is reduced. And the meiosis will occur only in gametes like sperms in male and eggs in female. So we can call it as reduction division will happen only in gametes. Is it clear, children? Now look at the slide. So you don't want to detail. In your level you want to remember meiosis. During meiosis a cell will divide and you will get a 4 cells. But for your understanding I am giving some more explanation also. Now look at the slide. Here meiosis we can call it as 2. Okay, 2 time it will divide. So first time you will get 2 cells. Second time from single cell you will get a 2 cells. Okay, from second time you will get a 2 cells. So this is 2, this is 2, totally 4. Now this is your sperm cell or egg cell. Imagine. So first division it will divide and it will give to 2. And again these cells again will divide as like normal mitosis and you will get 2 more cells. So first division we can call it as meiosis 1. Second division we can call it as meiosis 2. So you know in mitosis only 1 cell division. So from single cell you will get a 2. But here from a single cell you will get a 4. From a single cell you will get a 4. From a single cell, okay, from a single cell you will get a 4 cell. For example, this is the single cell. Okay, this is a single cell. From that you are getting A cell, B cell, C cell, D cell. How? For example, imagine now this is a chromosome. Okay, they will get duplication, and normally from that normal mitosis you will get a 2 cells. These 2 cells contains, okay, these 2 cells contain normal 23 chromosomes. And this 23 chromosomes furthermore will divide and again you will get 423 chromosomes. So from this you will know that from a single cell you will get a 4 cells. Okay, the 4 cells are not alike. So that is the only point I am suggesting you. Mitosis you will get a 2 identical cells. Now look at the picture. Look at the picture of the division cells. So this is different, this is different, this is different. So you will get a different cells, because for that only, if a siblings are there in the family, all the two or sometimes three, the babies are not alike with each other. Why? Because they are coming from different sperm cells and different egg cells. Because of that only they are different, they are not alike. So here a single cell will divide into two. Again it won't complete. To complete division, again it will divide and you will get a 4 cells. The 4 cells are also not identical, but they will contain 23 chromosomes and it is ready for fertilization. After fertilization, and normally zygote will contain 46, the process will continue. In your level, you want to remember only 5 points. Meiosis is a reduction division, and here reduction means reduction of chromosomes number, and it will happen only in gametes, and from one single cell you will get 4 cells, and it will takes place in 2 different stages. Meiosis 1 you will get 2 cells, meiosis 2 you will get 2 stages. Remaining and all same as what we learned in the mitosis: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. So we can call it as first meiosis 1 is prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1. Meiosis 2 is prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, telophase 2. It is like remaining and all, it is like your mitosis only. And that's all about meiosis. With that, our chapter is completed. Next class onwards, we will see the second chapter, tissue. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.